How to play custom songs on Project Sekai. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a preferred browser and search for Sweet Potato Wiki. So in here you have to navigate to the option of Sweet Potato Wiki EN. Tap on the option and you'll be redirected to a new page. In the new page, you'll be able to find the sonu list that is under the sweet potato. By the use of it, you'll be able to play your custom songs in Project Sekai. You can check out on how to play and create the charts by tapping on the extended version of it. Now it will give you some of the information on how to create one. Then select on Install Sonulus on Android or iOS, preferable in your device. Now it will provide you with some of the steps on how to install your Sonulus on your Android. As you can see, it is not in the English version and currently it only supports the Japanese one. If you try to translate this page, you will see that there is no translation available even though you select on English, and this might be quite difficult to understand. However, you can also customize your very own music to play on your Project Sekai through the Sonu list. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.